Car Fair in Geneva, presented by Drive Tesla, your #1 Tesla rental service. Drive the future. drivetesla.ch.
The Kia Ceed is one of the most important cars in the middle class segment or in the compact segment of the hot hatches in Europe. Designed in Europe, built in Europe, engineered in Europe. Here you can see it, and I already reviewed this car at its world premiere. Just go to my library and see in depth what Kia changed about it. As you can see already now, the design is fantastic, it's fascinating, this blue color and the new design. So check out everything in detail as this beautiful fair-haired girl is smiling at us in the camera, but unfortunately she's smiling at everyone. So take a look at this detailed review that I did about the Kia Ceed. Seats, interior, everything, boot space. But now more interesting is the SW Estate version of the Kia Ceed, which has now just the same specifics like the Ceed with a hot hatch, but with a bit more space. Everything else, just like the interior, is just the same. Everything redesigned, everything new. Just check out my review, as already mentioned, from the world premiere of the Kia Ceed. And if you ask me, then in my eyes, the backlights of the estate version look a bit better than the hot hatches version, or the hot hatches backlights. Though these are already really beautiful, as I have already talked about and reviewed in detail. So they really did a good job, and everything, as you can see, is LED. This is something that I always have to praise, except this light here. I think it's the light for driving backwards. It's a bulb, but everything else is LED, giving you a more valuable looks. And the black roof that we can see, combined with this grey colour, makes it look really nice. So the perfect family car for everyone who says, I'd like to have all the options, all the safety assists, safety features for less money than the premium car segment. And just to be honest, it's not worse than these cars that we got used to in Europe. This is Carmania. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to watch the video about the Kia Ceed at its world premiere that you can find in my library.
The Car Fair in Geneva, presented by Drive Tesla. Drive the future. drivetesla.ch.